Hey everybody, I just want to do a quick unboxing and show you a different brand of shoes that I've found when I was traveling in Italy. This is a single shop in Florence, Italy, named Leonardo Shoes. I bought the blue pair that you see in front of you while I was there, and have subsequently bought a couple other pairs. The red ones you see to the right, and then the ones in the box, which are a pair of brown. These are Blake. Um, they're Blake stitched, but the last is, and the design is quite different than anything you see with Allen Edmonds. I've taken the two pairs that I have currently and had French tips put on because I'm a toe walker, and took them to Steve Dudacklin and had him put them on. You can see how he ground this down to fit the toe of the shoe. And while he was working on these, he commented on how good the leather is, and it is. It's just really supple leather, a little bit different than what you see with Allen Edmonds. Allen Edmonds is a little stouter. This is a more refined shoe, but also quite a bit cheaper. I think the most I paid for either of these was $250, and the ones that I have in the box right now I paid 140 for. But looking at these, come with a nice bag. And voila, these are beautiful. Come out of the box already burnished. These two have the rubber insole. Once I popped through that, these are size 42, which with this last specifically is a 9.5D in Allen Edmonds, 65 last. And these are really beautiful. Nice work. Even though these were on sale for 150 bucks, I don't see a flaw anywhere in them. I don't know if you'll be able to see anything in here, but I really like how the toe looks on these. Allen Edmonds tends to be a little straighter across the front, a little less modern, let's say. The other shoe, be terrible if I flipped it over and there was like this huge stain on the back side, because I haven't looked at these yet. As you can see, they are Blake stitched, and what that does is it allows it's still stitched. It's not glued, but it does allow for a thinner sole. The welt is not as thick. You can't resole them as frequently. With a Goodyear welted, you can resole them 6-8 times. With these, you can probably resole them 3 to 4. But frankly, with the amount of time that I spend wearing these types of shoes, these Blakes will still last me a lifetime. So that's it. Just wanted to show you these shoes by Leonardo. They're beautiful. It's like I said, it's a single shop in Florence, Italy, and their website is in Italian, but it does have an English version. And you can call them, and they haggle on the price in the shop, definitely. I think these were listed in the shop for 50-60 euros more. Yeah, they were euros more than what I paid for them. and they talked. I was able to negotiate with them. And then when I bought these online, I called them and asked them if it was the same last. They said it was, and they also gave me a deal on these before I sent them. I didn't call them on these because these were already so inexpensive, but I really like this last. It fits my foot very well, and if anything, I said it was a 9.5D. It's probably more like a 9.5E because there is zero V gap on these whenever I wear them. They're still snug, and they still feel good on my foot. They don't feel loose, but there's zero V gap whenever I have these on my foot. So, looking forward to trying out these brown hole cuts, and I hope you enjoy. Do know that Leonardo. They make their own shoes. They have a cobbler in house that designs these, and they make them themselves. They are not made in another country. Let's say they use a factory in Italy, which is rare now because so many people go to countries where labor is a lot cheaper. But this is Italian leather, Italian manufacturer, and at a very good price. But they do sell some things on their site that are not made by them. So just look and make sure that whenever you buy something from them, that it actually says Leonardo shoes on the inside and on the sole. And if it doesn't, then give it a second look. All right, have a good day. Bye.